Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any users start the business, like how you can they're generating business leads and promotions, everything. First of all, they'll focus on by Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Now, I'm selecting one of the person name is called Akash Traders. They started by YouTube channel who are looking for carbon cleaning services, how to improve your bike performance and car pickup and mileage. So that all will be give the particular service. The user, how can I start the particular service? By using different kind of versions. So this person, how he can started your carbon cleaning services and how he can give the service and how we can making the video by using Canva option. First of all, the video will making will be reel option or the long video. Both can applicable. When you go to reel, first of all, you select by the template design. What are the designs you will be selected will be here. First of all, select by your design. So after this, so what are the image you have to delete on your particular future will be here. So after this, this video we can add it here, set as a video background. Or else we have another feature is called like this. But maybe set is or not, check it out the proper here. After this one, what are the service you providing? This will be Wagner car. What is that providing your service will be? First of all, what we are providing any kind of services. So that is called, we can easily, we can call will be here is option will be there. So what are the content you are posting will be here. Proper navigation to we can give the particular users and what are the service you are providing. Everything will be here is the particular option. So those future you can create by hit this. After this one, what are the video you are uploading in this here? First of all, read the complete video will be here is important option. So in this particular feature, I give by the very transformation pictures. So after this, we can call by the car carbon link services. So what are the mention your phone number? Always change your designs. What are the your highlightings, logo, and everything will be important will be here. Any logo time, be careful at. So sometime will be added in this. So we can add it. We can using this particular feature add by the text will be small content. So no. So first of all, just introduction purpose and keep it and mute will be this voice not visible here. So this is complete video. What are the in this? So they will show will be complete video will be here is the particular in this. So what are the information we added here? That all will be in a particular future. You can give to the particular services. So phone number will be effect is important. Add by effect. So it will be show you a particular phone number. So that all will be content. So how it is the content? What are the vehicle you will be done by servicing? So that all will be we can show you a particular in this. Added everything details. Now, what are the voice will keep and mute? Unmute it. It will be done. Click this. Click for download, and download will be in a particular option. This is for YouTube making a reel on a particular future purpose. So this is compulsory. What are the parameters you can upload it? Upload the based on the theme. That all will be designed. You can select it and based on the templates. Select your templates and create the structure of in this particular future. And the purpose of cleaning service will be improve your car pickup and mileage. So that will be you can using will be in the version and easy will be booking your phone number and details will be here. Those details, everything will be shown to the customer along with the explain of the particular video. So this is a prepare the video with the Canva. The video same upload on your particular YouTube channel and properly upload it and get the views and then get the leads from your YouTube channel option. So how much you will be affected everything the follow the particular services on your particular vehicle for mileage purpose, then contact Akash Trader YouTube channel. So everyone looking for carbon services like car pickup and mileage, you can contact Akash Traders. Any business person, you can make any video or reels, you can contact our channel. I definitely support you. How you can making a videos and upload channels will be without voice, with the voice, with the music. That all will be given the particular section. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.